Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1973 Dodge Challenger. This is a rally package car. Absolutely killer car, guys. I actually sold this car originally in 2015, and I bought it from a gentleman who was local here. He had just done a complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie Restoration. Sold this car to some local people who have made it even nicer, if that's even possible. They just kept the car in immaculate condition. Found a lot of original parts for it. But just gorgeous car. The bottom of this car is as nice as the top. You just can't say enough about this car. This car is stunning. Factory top banana yellow car. Again, original rally car. It is a factory H code 340 car that, like I say, in 2014 went through a complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie Restoration. Killer car. Just a gorgeous car. Factory sport hood. Again, this is the original color combination for it, and you're not going to really find anything to really pick. You might find a little stone peck or something, but this car is slick. That's one of the things Tom found was the original bumperettes for it. Fit and finish on this car is excellent. Dual chrome mirrors. Glass is beautiful. It's all new. Look at how nice the stainless is on the car. It's just a little dust the boys missed there. Whoever painted this car did a beautiful job. Car has slick paint. Of course, it's got the Rallye rear valence, or RT rear valence, a lot of people refer to it as. You can see how straight that car is down the side. It's got new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the 15-inch chrome Cragar SS Rallies on it. And you drive this car, man, it drives outstanding. You know, most of these e-bodies are a little bit rattly. This thing does not rattle, man. It drives awesome. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Front disc brakes. Look at that car. Stunning. Again, factory 340, H code 340 car. It's not matching numbers. There's no VIN on the block, so I'm assuming it's a warranty block. He converted it to an EFI. I think he called it Performance EFI. So it's got electronic fuel injection, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, Mopar radiator with the shroud. Stock air cleaner and valve covers. Does have factory electronic ignition. And like I say, just detailed up. Beautiful. He found all this original stuff for it. If you're seeing the little water spots, just a little dust underneath there. Gorgeous. Gorgeous car. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Just a beautiful car right there. This is a remote mirror. Again, you can see the door handles have been all replaced, and they did a beautiful job. I remember the guy I bought this from, super nice guy, and just did a beautiful job on this car. Factory black interior. New carpet, new seats, new sill plates. New headliner. You can see how nice that steering wheel is. It's got the factory Rallye dash in it. Tach gauges. So in 72,000, that's supposed to be the original miles. I'll try to find out how many miles. There can't be a lot of miles in the restoration. Actually, these mats are in backwards. That's a passenger side one. H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Factory 8 3/4 rear end. It's no big gear. Definitely something to get on the highway in. Factory jack with spare is in here. Again, look at how nice all this stuff is. Again, jack, spare, service manuals, owner's manual, and then I think that's a remanufactured window sticker. It's all body color underneath the mat and everything. Everything opens and closes really nice. And like I say, take this car to the car show and put mirrors underneath it. Gorgeous car. Door seams are clean. Again, seats are all redone, repatted, refoamed. It's got a Pioneer sound system in it. Factory slapstick shifter. The mats are in there backward, Nathan. Again, dual chrome mirror. Just runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Great car. This one-handed. Tach's functional. Gauges are all functional, holding good oil pressure. The only thing that's not in there, I don't think it's hooked up, is the clock. You see how nice those doors close. Backup lights work. Good sound. Car sits good, got a little rake to it. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Its turn signal's on. There you go. Yep. There we go. Yep. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.